In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw shapes using one-point perspective. Now, it's actually very important to draw shapes in one-point perspective because if you learn how to draw shapes in one-point perspective, you can literally draw anything that you want. The first step in this process is to figure out where the center line is going to lay on your paper. So with your paper in a horizontal or landscape mode, measure down 4¼ inches on both the left and right hand side and draw a mark. Once you have both marks done, connect them together with a line, and this is going to be your horizon line. A horizon line is where the sky meets the ground, basically where everything goes back in the distance. Now, somewhere on the horizon line, preferably in the middle somewhere, I want you to draw a dot, and this is going to be your vanishing point. Start off by drawing a vertical line. We're going to go ahead and determine the height of a box. I'm going to draw mine in the center. Then draw another vertical line, however wide that you want your shape to be. These are going to be the left and right hand sides of the shape. After you get that done, draw horizontal lines at the top and the bottom, connecting the horizontal lines together. This is going to give you the face of your object. Now, depending on where you placed your object at, if it's going to be above, on, or below the horizon line, your shapes are going to either show the top, the bottom, and the side of the object that you're drawing. Since mine is on the horizon line, mine will not show the top or the bottom, but I'm going to show you all three. After you have your shape done, draw the diagonal lines going to the vanishing point. Determine how long you want your shape to be, and then draw another vertical line blocking the shape off. From here, you can erase the lines you don't need, and you now have a shape. I'm now going to draw an elongated shape above the horizon line, following the same methods. Start with the vertical lines for the left and right hand side of the object, then draw in the horizontal lines for the top and bottom face of the object, and then draw in your lines going to the vanishing point. When you get that done, figure out how long you want your shape to be and add in your vertical and horizontal lines. When done, erase the lines you don't need and you now have a shape. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that with the bottom shape as well, as I explain what I would like you to do with this assignment. I want you to create a drawing that has 5 objects on it, 2 above, 2 below, and 1 on the horizon line. Once you have that done, I want you to shade in your artwork. The tops of the objects, I would like you to leave white. The faces of the objects are going to be very lightly shaded. The sides of the objects are going to be midway shaded. And the bottom of the object is going to be the darkest shade. Objects might be a little hard to wrap your head around whenever you first get started with one-point perspective, but after you do a couple, you'll get the hang of it. It's not that difficult. As a recap, 5 shapes, 2 above the horizon line, 2 below the horizon line, and 1 on the horizon line. I also want you to shade it. Thank you all very much. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. You'll have one day to work on it, and I'll see you in the next video.